Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect TurboTax to your bank accounts securely step by step clearly. Open your TurboTax application or website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Navigate to the settings section, usually found in the upper right corner. Look for the banking or financial accounts option and click on it. Select link a new bank account or connect to bank. Choose your bank from the list provided. If your bank does not appear, use the search bar to find it. Click on your bank name to proceed. You will be redirected to your bank's login page. Enter your bank account credentials carefully. Ensure that you are on a secure connection, indicated by https:// in the URL. Once logged in, grant TurboTax permission to access your account. Review the permissions required and confirm if you agree. After authorization, return to the TurboTax interface. You should see a confirmation that your bank account is now linked. If applicable, repeat the process for any additional bank accounts. Verify that your bank transactions have been imported into TurboTax. Check that all necessary information is accurate and complete. If any discrepancies appear, revisit your bank connection settings. Always log out of your TurboTax account and your bank account after use. Keep your login information secure to maintain account safety. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.